Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the KT Forex trend rider indicator for MT4. All right, so let us head over to the MQL5 marketplace. The indicator is currently for sale on the MQL5 marketplace, priced at 30 US dollars. Okay, but we are going to be testing the indicator using the free demo feature. Okay, we're going to test the indicator using our MT4 strategy tester so that we can understand how the indicator works. All right, we want to know if it is going to be worth purchasing. All right, however, of course, you make your own decisions, right? We just want to analyze how the indicator works. So we're going to drag and drop, click on test, and we're going to click on start. Okay, feel free to change the period depending on what period you want to test the indicator on. Okay, now just give it a few seconds and we should have the indicator added here on our strategy tester. So here we go in a moment. Now, basically, this indicator uses a trend following algorithm. I was expecting to see the indicator actually displayed. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So this indicator, it's a trend following indicator, right? And it also comes with a multi-time frame scanner, as we can see, to search for upcoming signals across all the time frames. You can see the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and the 1 minute time frames, right? And we can see the signals across the time frames. We have these ones as sideways, we have these ones as bearish, right? So whatever signal across a time frame, the indicator will let us know here on this multi-time frame scanner. Okay, and then you can also see the indicator line being displayed directly on the chart. You will notice that when the line is blue, it shows a bullish move at that particular time, right? And when the line turns red, it shows a bearish move at that particular time. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Ensure that you are comfortable with the indicator before you proceed to make any financial commitments. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.